Hey traders, ready to level up your game with the ultimate tool? Today we are unlocking the secrets of the FundedNext Trade Manager, your new trading sidekick. Let's get you set up in a flash and dive into features that will turbocharge your trading strategy. First up, get the Trade Manager from the Utilities section under Tools. Click Download and boom, you are halfway there. Zip through the zip file, pop open the manual inside, and follow those steps like a pro. For MT4 users, it's showtime. Open MT4, grab the Trade Manager file, and drop it into the Expert Advisor folder. Refresh, drag, and give it a try on any chart. MT5 crew, for you it's the same drill. Copy, paste, refresh, and drag. Your Trade Manager is now ready to roll. Now let's talk about the features. One-click trading. This gem lets you open and close trades with a single click. Efficiency at its finest. Pick your pair, set your risk with a nifty calculator, and let the Trade Manager do the heavy lifting. Stop loss and take profit, set them in pips or cash. And with trailing stop, lock in those gains as they grow. Partial close and stop loss to break even. You call the shots on when to cash in or break even. And for the grand finale, closing all trades with one click. Because time is money and we are here to make and not waste it. Quick tips, hit a swell, check the Experts tab. Remember, this wizard works with MT4 and MT5 tabs only. And it's free for all, no fancy hardware needed. And just like that, you're equipped to trade smarter and not harder. For any hiccups, our live chat is waiting to assist. Now go make those charts your playground. Smash the subscribe button for more videos and don't forget to like and share.